Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay Allianz insurance online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To pay your Allianz insurance premium online, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your My Allianz application and be sure to be logged in to your account with the credentials to access your Allianz account. Then once logged in, simply tap on My Policies section to view your insurance policies. Then once inside, choose the policy for which you wish to make a payment. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on payment option to view your outstanding premium details. Then select your preferred payment method such as credit card or debit card. Then input your payment details securely, and once done, confirm your payment by reviewing the payment information and confirming the transaction. Then once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation notification. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.